Hi, so it's 12:15 p.m. on 29th of July, जुलाई एक्सपायरी के दिन मार्केट में अभी हम लोग एक क्विक एनालिसिस करेंगे कि कौन सी स्टॉक्स हमें अच्छी दिख रही है एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड हम किस में पोजीशन बना सकते हैं एंड डेफिनेटली जेनरिक व्यू ऑफ द मार्केट. सो अगर आप ये देखते हो तो अगर आप मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल फॉलो करते हो सो यू कैन रियली अंडरस्टैंड दीज लाइन्स. सो बेसिकली दिस इज गोइंग टू एक्ट लाइक अ सपोर्ट फॉर नाउ एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली द रेजिस्टेंस फॉर निफ्टी. निफ्टी अभी 785 पे है and going forward 18,800 is turning out to be a resistance. This particular structure is sort of bullish as of now, though अभी 11-10 मिनट बाकी है. So Nifty tried to give a good move, and now you can see that a Nifty is forming a bearish sort of a candle. ये candle अगर strong candle closing होती है, so that would not be a good thing for Nifty. And in general में Nifty constituents के हम लोग थोड़ा सा देखेंगे कि where they are and how they are working. Especially I think going forward maybe Reliance अगर 2060 levels hold नहीं कर पाती है, just a few minutes ago वो 2059 2058 तक आई थी, and then it's right now trading at 2062 levels. But no matter what, I think अगर Reliance hold नहीं कर पाएगी, so from here the market would be very much going towards 7 यहाँ पे 720 या 715 रेंज पे 720 में आ सकती है. That would be around about a 60 point move. So let's have a quick look at all these constituents of अभी stocks कहाँ पे poised है. सुबह में हमने बोला था कि स्टील एंड यू कैन सी स्टील, टाटा स्टील, सेल और हिंडाल्को, वेदांत हियर, हिंडाल्को ओवर हियर, ऑल ऑफ देम आर रियली लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वेरी गुड मूव. हमने हिंडाल्को का यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड इनिशिएट करने के लिए बोला था एट 400 लेवल्स, एंड नाउ यू कैन सी दैट इज मोर देन 10% अप इन जस्ट 2-3 सेशंस, एक्चुअली 2 सेशंस. और जिंदाल स्टील भी हमने कल प्री ओपन वॉच जो रात में हम लोग एनालिसिस करते हैं उनमें हम मेरा 2 फेवरेट पिक्स था, टाटा स्टील और जिंदाल स्टील. मेरा टाटा स्टील पे BTST भी किया था कल. सो बेसिकली इट्स रनिंग गुड एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन सी NMDC इज ऑल्सो रनिंग गुड. गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक LTI हमने 4500 का टारगेट डिसाइड किया था एंड वी वर एडिंग इन डिप्स, एंड टुडे यू कैन सी दैट द मूव केम और इट वेंट टुवर्ड्स 4525 levels. So basically this was also a very good trade which we initiated. Bajaj Finserv, as always, it's moving in the right direction. Metropolis is also one of the companies जिसको हमने इस रिवर्सल के टाइम ट्रैक करने के लिए बोला था at 2800 levels, and then we entered when 2900 levels were crossed, and then you can see it's around about at 3000. अभी 3030 में ट्रेंड कर रहा है. I closed my positions over here. The reason is it's a monthly expiry, so I really don't want to be trapped just because कोई big money or just क्योंकि 3000 is a very big psychological level, so I'm pretty sure that big money has actually shorted at 3000, so they want to expire within 3000 levels. So this is the reason. We will see after today. और उसमें हम और इसके साथ लाल पैथ लैब is also trending really good and it's at all time high. So Metropolis and लाल पैथ labs both are running. आज ऑटो में थोड़ी सी वो आई है, बाइंग आई है. माइंड ट्री वॉज वन ऑफ द कंपनीज जिसको हम लोग कल डिस्कस किए थे टुगेदर विद कोफोर्ज ऑल्सो. आई डोंट नो कोफोर्ज कहाँ पे है. कोफोर्ज, या एग्जैक्टली. हमने कल कोफोर्ज का भी BTST किया था एंड थियोरेटिकली इट्स अराउंड अबाउट एट 5000 लेवल्स विच इज द साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल. सो दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट दैट यू हैव टू स्टे with the right sector. You have to be in the right sector and theoretically you would be able to. अभी मेरा जो ट्रैकर में आया है IRCTC, you can see it was in a downtrend since last 5-6 sessions and now आज अभी तक ये बहुत अच्छा कैंडल देख के इसको नेगेट कर रही है. So we would be tracking definitely levels of 2350. ये हमने कल भी डिस्कस किया था. It's just a matter of reminding you. And also Tata Power, it's also looking good, and so going forward it can very well be that Tata Power expires above 122.5. Adani Entertainment Enterprise is not that important for me. I will see if Adani Ports, because someone asked about Adani Ports a few sessions ago. State Bank of India is also looking good. You can see it's making higher low, and this is actually a very bullish structure. We have to see if it is able to sustain these levels. LIC Housing Finance is also looking good, जिसका रिजल्ट भी है. So before result is able to take a support from 430 region. So this, and on the top of that, this is actually a very bullish pattern after such a long downtrend. लेकिन हम आज का closing देखेंगे और आज result है बोल के we won't be trading it, but definitely this would be in our radar. Other than that, you can see Glenmark is actually weak. SBI Life is near about 1150. हमने यहाँ पे trade initiate किया था. And then we booked out, and then in the next day ये नहीं हमने यहाँ पे initiate किया था, and this was a BTST, so we went, and then again on next day when 1100 was taken out, we were much क्योंकि closing 110 के ऊपर आई थी, and so today also this turned out to be a good trade. अगर हम लोग week देखें, so UBL is weak after result, and it seems like there would be more weakness. जब we have to see if it is able to hold 1400 levels. 1400 टूटी तो एक अच्छा trade आएगा. Similarly, Balakrishna Industry is also looking weak. It went towards 2400. और इसको हमने ट्रेड किया था, तब मैंने ट्वीट भी किया था. We tweeted around over this month, maybe we tweeted this particular candle, and after that I was not interested because I was looking for either a breakout or a breakdown for a trade. Lupin is looking weak, and it has corrected nearly 100 points from 1200 to 1100 now, and it seems like there's more weakness. APL Limited is also weak. So is also Apollo Tire is below 220. Amaraja Battery is near about 700. So this is actually one of the worst performing counters. Or this is also true for Cipla. Gap down. हमने Glenmark को भी बहुत दिन से short किए थे, and though we closed early, so let's have a quick look of where Glenmark is. Kotak Bank is definitely weak. Try to stay away from it. So in general, you can see that this. If you look into Torrent Pharma, हमने सुबह अच्छा short किया, और then we closed, and then we went long, and then we closed the trade. So Torrent Pharma was a good trade in the morning, and the reason is because it seems like these stocks are now coming in trend. Also advantage यही था कि sectorial जो sentiment है वो down है, इसीलिए we were lucky. Glenmark is also see it's below 600. ये हमने short trade लिया था कुछ sessions पहले, and though we closed really early, but you can see that the reason of closing a trade was very simple. My targets were reached, but definitely there was a weakness. और ये we have extensively discussed Glenmark and the weakness and all the weak stocks for July expiry जो आपको मेरे channel में मिल जाएगी. Just try to have a look, and maybe that will help you in your future trades. To understand the trend. So in general, it's all about Reliance, or Aarti Industry is also trying to get in trend. We will see a closing. If it is able to close above 900, that would be a good breakout, and then it will go towards 920, 930, which is its all-time high. Sun Pharma is the only counter in this pharma stock which is trying to go to a 700, but I think these moves are mainly because of the expiry. Or yeah, so that's it. So in general, the market looks good. The steel sector, as we discussed in the market watch from 10 a.m., is trying to hold, and few specific IT mid cap companies, ये भी हमने बोला था कि this is also strong, just like this LTI, LTTS, Coforge, and Mindtree. These four are really good for me, and I am actively participating in the trade. Cholafin is also trying to close above 500, so this might also turn out to be a good trade. And so is HCL Tech. मैंने बोला कि this is a very strong resistance, 1000 levels. Let's see if it's able to close above it. In any case, I won't be that much interested in HCL Tech because the results didn't impress me. Ashok Leyland has a resistance at 125, so let's see if it is able to close above 125, else it will get stuck between 120 and 125. Thanks a lot for listening. Of this video is going to give you the idea about how the whole market and how different stocks are actually poised, and let's see if it is able to move. Bharat Forge is also giving a very good bullish reversal. Let's see if it is able to break 800. Thanks a lot for listening, and I will be back. See, अभी बात करते करते Nifty came at 770, and this is not really good because you just have 2.5 minutes left. So in general, if this whole candle of this 760, if it goes below 758, So then actually ये जो बुलिश कैंडल बनी थी जिसको सब ब्रेकआउट बोल रहे थे दैट दिस वन सुबह यहाँ पे खुली एंड देन इट वाज ट्राइंग टू रिवर्स एंड नाउ यू कैन सी दैट दिस सो अगर ये 750 टूटी तो बेसिकली इट शुड बी कमिंग अराउंड अबाउट एट 720 to 710 region. So thanks a lot folks for listening, and hope this video is going to help you. In general, try to for my of course it's expiry and no one can actually guess what erratic move will start coming after 12:30, but in general I would try to suggest that try to have 15,850 over here. This is the resistance, and 15,700 this is a support. Let's see which way it moves, and theoretically we will be able to see. The whole story is in Reliance. So if Reliance is able to hold 2060, आप Reliance को सिर्फ ट्रैक करते रहो. अगर Reliance 2060 होल्ड कर रही है and it's not dipping, so I would be more interested in initiating in the long side. और अगर Reliance 2060 अगर ब्रेक कर दिया है, so basically it will have more downfall. Thanks a lot for listening and bye bye.